Gentlemen, in my opinion, the way that your day starts is indicative of, that's a big word for this channel, I know. The way that your day, what the hell am I talking about? Let's start again. Developing an amazing morning routine is critical to you kicking the day's ass. If you don't, chances are your day is going to be blown to shit. You're not going to be as productive. You're not going to be as healthy, happy, chilled out, and amazing as you should, all because of your damn morning routine. Gentlemen, there are 5 things we do that are wrong, and today we're going to go over them to help you maximize your morning potential. First biggest morning mistake men make is not getting up early enough. Ugh. Good morning. It's 7:30, and I probably should have been up about 2 hours ago in order to accomplish a lot of crap. So personally, Monday through Friday, I get up at 5:30. Now, I'm not saying that to brag. I am simply letting you know that I've tried getting up at 6:30, but the difference at getting up 5:30 versus 6:30 in terms of productivity and the way that my day sort of unfolds is ridiculous. That extra hour or 2 hours or whatever it is amazing in terms of what you can accomplish. And personally, I find that that time is selfish, right? I do things that I want to do that I might not get to if I don't do them then. Meditating or going for a run, which is exercising, or, reading, or actually I don't read. Wait, I don't read. That's a lie. I do listen to audiobooks though when I am exercising, which is the biggest morning mistake number 2. You're not actually utilizing that time to exercise because doing cardio first thing on an empty stomach in your target zone is an amazing way to shred body fat and to actually keep your body fat in check. Now, I know that there are a lot of dudes out there that are like, yo, that's total bro science, it doesn't work, whatever. For me, I believe in it, and personally, I think it works. And so, before I eat anything, before I eat breakfast, I like to first thing, do some cardio, whether or not it's on a treadmill at home, go to the gym, or, just go for a walk outside. The third biggest morning mistake men make is not preparing their face to kick the day's ass. It all starts with washing your face. Every single morning, each and every one of you should be washing your face with a mild cleanser, something that's going to remove all of the dirt, all of the grime, all the crap that sort of builds up overnight as we slumber. And then twice a week in the morning, you should also be exfoliating your face. The exfoliating scrub by Tiege Hanley is a mild exfoliant. We use apricot seed, we got menthol, we got all sorts of fancy stuff in there to make sure that you are gently removing all of the dead skin cells, cleaning out those pores so you don't get blackheads and blemishes. If you haven't tried the Tiege Hanley exfoliating scrub, when you get out of the shower, your face feels like so cool and refreshed, and it is totally ready for the next phase, which is to moisturize. Now, one of the biggest mistakes a lot of men make when it comes to their morning routines and moisturizing is A, not moisturizing, and B, not using a moisturizer with sunscreen in it. The Tiege Hanley AM moisturizer has an SPF of 20 to make sure that you are protecting your face when you go out, because that's something that most guys don't realize, that even though you're not out like playing volleyball or doing something else like super active outside, you still get sun exposure and UVA and UVB and all those bad UV rays pounding your face just from driving and walking to the office. So it is critical that every single morning before you leave the house, you apply a moisturizer with an SPF of 20. Now, if you're somebody who's a little more mature or older, you may want to invest in the Tiege Hanley Level 2 system, which comes with an anti-aging eye cream. I am applying these products out of order because I'm demonstrating, but the eye cream is an amazing way to fight dark circles, bags, and also crow's feet. The Tiege Hanley eye cream is, in my opinion, the best eye cream that's out there on the market. It comes in the Level 2 system. Now, another product that I personally, and pretty much everybody who tries it, feels is another rock star is the Tiege Hanley Super Serum. This stuff is an anti-aging, antioxidant super serum. It goes on prior to moisturizing. And the reason is because this stuff has all sorts of botanicals to fight redness, irregularities, keep your skin looking as amazing as possible. Gentlemen, there is a link down below. If you are not doing what you need to be doing for your skin in order to maximize its handsomeness and make sure that it is ready to kick the day's ass, there's a link down below that will give you an incredible deal off of your first Tiege Hanley system. We We've got level 1, 2, and 3 for regular Tiege. We've also got acne, level 1 and 2. Depending on the severity of your acne, you might want to go with level 1 to start or level 2 if you've got a more severe case. So hit that link, go check out Tiege to get your day and face started right. The fourth morning mistake most men make is not planning their outfit the night before. Every single night before I go to bed, I will lay out what I'm going to be wearing. Today's outfit, I'm going with a simple white t-shirt, a black leather bomber. I'm also going a pair of jeans and a pair of sneaks. Planning your outfit the night before is one of the best things you can do in terms of saving time as well as getting creative. Because what I found for me, in the morning, if I just like try and throw something together when I'm tired or I'm running late, I'll typically grab just something that I always grab. But when you're able to actually plan an outfit the night before, you can get more creative and actually use and utilize your wardrobe a lot better. The fifth and final morning mistake that so many men make is not preparing your meals the night before. It is absolutely impossible to wing a healthy eating plan. So for me, the night before I go to bed, I will plan and prepare my food for the next day. This includes breakfast, this includes lunch, this also includes snacks. Those 5 things, in my opinion, are the difference between you having a day that's like, and a day that is like, yeah, I'm kicking its ass. I'm telling you, give it a try. Get up an hour earlier. Make sure you exercise. Make sure that handsome face of yours looks amazing. Set your clothes out the night before and make sure that what goes in here is healthy and prepared the night before. Gentlemen, I love you. Give it one of these if you dig it. Thanks in advance.